How many dogs are fed dry food only?
That drives with two,
Two out of the
25.
25. It'll be something like that.
Okay.
And so this is kind of problems you were seeing in class?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Take a look at this one. It says the table above shows the distribution of age and gender for 25 people who entered the contest. The contest winner will be selected at random. What is the probability that the winner will be either a female under age 40 or a male age 40 or older? What do you say?
What? What is the probability of the winner will be either a female under age 40 or a male?
Yeah, female under age 40 or a male 40 or older.
Is it B?
Okay. So female under age 40.
There'll be like eight of those. Eight?
Yeah. And then there are how many males 40 and older? Two of them.
That's it.
So there's 10. 8 plus 2 is 10 out of 25. Does that look okay?
Yeah.
You're right. Here we go. All right. So a survey taken by 1,000 students at a school asked whether they played school sports. Table below summarizes all 1,000 responses from the students surveyed. Play a school sport, do not play a school sport. They're trying to figure out what's the missing value there. And by the way, you are allowed to use a calculator. Um,
Is it B?
why is it B? What is it about B that helps?
B is the missing value of the question mark.
Yes, but that's what adds up to 1,000. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All right. Are these helping? I mean, are these like what you were seeing in class?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Um, of the students who completed a summer internship in 2010, which of the following represents the fraction of students who are from Valley High School? And we're looking in 2010, and they're from Valley High School.
Is it B?
Why is it B?
Because in Valley High School in 2010, 65 get graduated out of the 140 for that year.
Okay, got it. I agree. All right, let's look at another problem here. Take a look at this. Tell me what you come up with, please.
Could be.
Okay. So there are how many Australian marsupial species?
Uh, 235.
How did you come up with 235?
I added all the Australian species.
That's right. That's correct. Right. And then how did you come up with the 24?
I looked at the Aramillerphia or whatever. That
Yeah. The species, the specific species they wanted. Okay. Very good. All right. Let me see if I can grab some more problems here. Here's another one for us to look at. How are you doing on this one?
uh, still working on the conversion.
Okay.
Hit A. I got A.
Questions on that? All right, good job. So let's move on to this one here. This one you have to calculate like the previous one. You have to calculate some probabilities.
Hmm.
So it might help to have some totals and then some more totals down here. That might help, might not.
Okay. Hit C.
So tell me how you got C because you had to use some of the numbers from the table. Which numbers from the table did you?
I use the male Alaskan Malamute, the Malamutes,
Okay,
and uh, and there's
six
10
out
of
of.
them, and there's 10 male dogs, and it
That's
gives
right.
silver 10.
Very good. 6 out of 10. Perfect. Okay. All right. Let's do a few more, and then maybe we'll jump back to some Algebra 1 stuff. All right. The table shows the batch number and type of item for 150 items. If an item from batch 2 is selected at random, what is the probability that the item is type A? So we're looking at this row.
Oh, is it B?
Yeah, now it's a little odd that it's not simplified, but that is the case for some of these problems here.
Yeah.
All right, do another one here. This is definitely a calculator problem.
Yeah. Uh, 900.
Which one?
912.
Yeah, so it should be 63 or 0.63 plus 0.13, which is 0.76 times 1200.
Hmm.
Do you want to change your answer? Do you feel good about
What?
do you feel good about that?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, very good. All right, a couple more here.
Is it C?
Which two numbers did you use?
I used uh 165 and 587.
Well, that's correct. No, that's really good. Your reading comprehension's good. This one usually trips up a lot of students. And did you get that exact good number?
Yeah. I got like
Excellent.
four.
Cool. I think I've got one more like this. Right, here we go.
D.
See, good. All right. So what other stuff are you guys working on in math class now? You said just
Yeah,
um
so far just like getting into the new like unit 5, 8,
okay.
and then yeah, that's really all we're doing so far.
All right. Well, I'm trying to find some problems here. Let's take a look at this. You do have a calculator handy?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's look at a problem here. This is kind of basic algebra statistics stuff here. Complete the table by computing each player's average. Do you remember how to calculate an average? You add up the scores. So you'd add up like 151 plus 153 plus 146 plus 152 plus 148. Then you divide by the number of scores. Does that work? Is that something you've seen before? Go grab that calculator, add those up, and divide by the number of scores, please.
Oh, okay. Is that the second to last? Is that 112?
I'm sorry, say that one more time.
The second to last one, 112.
152. I'm reading the numbers in the table there.
Oh, how did I think this is? Oh, I got 631. Six,
Okay, divide that by five, please.
yeah, six, uh, 150.
Can't be 150. It's
I
631.5.
mean, I did the thing wrong. So
Okay.
151 plus 153 plus 146 plus
Yeah,
one,
it should be
that's
150. Yeah. Okay. You want to
700.
do okay, you want to do the same thing for Beth, please? Find her average.
Yeah, I got 150.
Okay, so they both have the same average. It's kind of interesting. Um, Now the next question here, it says, which player was more consistent? What do you think they mean by that? To be more consistent.
More consistent.
Yeah, what do you think it means to be more consistent in terms of their score?
Like more like you can't get like 1 and then 12 and then 32 and then 3. Like it has to be like 7, 8, 9, 10. Like
Okay.
close to the
So who was more consistent in your opinion?
uh Adam.
Yes. Very good. All right, good. Let's look at another data set here. All right, it says the number of members in 6 yoga clubs are 80, 74, 77, 71, 75, 91. Could you first calculate the mean for us, please?
Okay. The mean is 78.
Okay.
I want me to calculate the rest too.
Well, the median requires the numbers to be in order. So you want to put these numbers in order from smallest to largest, like 71, 74, 75, 77, 80, 91. The median is the middle number. Is that okay?
Yeah, I understand. Just need a little
All
bit
right.
of you. There's 76.
Yeah, 76, good. Now the mode is the one that occurs most often.
I don't think there's a mode.
Yeah, I don't see one either. So there's none. And then the range is the max minus the min.
So 11.
11, good. So I guess you've seen this before, at least.
Yeah, I've seen this in middle school.
Oh, good.
Just forgot it.
Yeah. Okay. Is this the kind of stuff you think you'll see coming up?
Yeah, I think.
All right. Well, we're going to go ahead and stop there for today. The next lesson is scheduled